Hi friends, today I am on my way to Attappadi on my bicycle. Presently I am standing at the foothills of the Attappadi mountain range that is Anamuli, 10 kilometers away from the Mannarkkad town. It is from here the ghat road to Attappadi begins. I have to wait two of my friends who are also riding on their bicycle. So let me wait a few minutes here. The hairpin bends on Attappadi ghat road begin from here. A nursery of the plantation corporation can be seen on the right side. Agali Grama Panchayat welcomes us here. This is one of the toughest routes we choose once in a month. The mountains are calling and I must go. Fog has begun to spread. My friends Shuhaib and Jins are coming. We have reached the 10th hairpin bend. Fog is getting intensified. The tranquil valley is swaddled in the veil of white mist. Abduka, Hadi and Akash have also joined us today. After a short break, we have resumed our ride. We continued our ride, piercing through the fog. What a marvelous ride it is! I have never enjoyed a bicycle ride like this before. My fellow riders are almost invisible in the fog. They move forward like a dim shadow. We couldn't help enjoying this waterfall on the way.
The visibility is getting reduced as the fog intensifies. Vehicles are passing by, flashing hazard lights and fog lamps. The trees in this woodland are silhouetted black as a white blanket of the chilly fog covers them. On the way, I came across some of our friends from Mannarkkad peddlers who also enjoy the beauty of the foggy woods. We are about to reach Mukkali. The fog has almost disappeared now. If you would like to go to Silent Valley National Park, you have to take the left turn from Mukkali Junction. Let's have a cup of tea from here. After enjoying a cup of tea, we have decided to go up to the information center of the Silent Valley National Park. On the right side, you can see the dormitory of the Department of Forest. This is the information center of the Silent Valley National Park. After spending 10 minutes here, we have decided to return back home. The cut road is still foggy. If I hadn't come for the ride today, I would have missed this wonderful, thrilling experience. Though my fellow riders are very close to me, I cannot see them properly. It is a very thrilling experience when riding a bicycle downhill after a hard climb. Many travelers are here now in the viewpoint at the 10th hairpin bend.
There's a waterfall here, you can see.
We descended from the misty valley for the next trip in search of new travel experiences.